Hi, welcome to our virtual open house of our cosmetology program. I'm here with Melinda Williams, our lead instructor and program coordinator. Hi, Melinda.
Hi, Crystal.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yes, like she said, my name is Melinda Williams, and I've been in the industry for 30 years. It's knocking on 30 years, and I went right here to Madison High School, got my cosmetology license at 17, and I've been a salon owner. I am currently the OCCTA, which is the Ohio Cosmetology Teachers Association president. So I work pretty closely, going to state board meetings and things like that. We try to keep our program fresh and just up to date. And I went to Dudley Cosmetology University as well for advanced training.
Cool. And Melinda, you're not the only instructor here.
No, we have great instructors. That's one of the greatest things about our program, that we have 3 instructors. We have Kim Marie Stillwell. Kim also teaches high school cosmetology. She's been in the industry about the same time as me, about 30 years. She's very innovative. She's taught special needs kids before, so she adds a whole different spin to our teaching environment. And then we have Mrs. Lori Dean. Lori also teaches the high school program here at Madison. And Lori is also a licensed barber, and so she brings a ton of experience. So we just have so many different facets that we bring to our program that's kind of unique to Madison.
Great. And if someone wanted to enroll in your program, we actually offer 2 different programs within the cosmetology lab. One is the advanced cosmetology, which is an 1,800-hour class, and then the 1,500 cosmetology class. Can you tell us a little bit about the difference?
Yes. The 1,500 cosmetology is a basic cosmetology class. We do a lot of styling, cutting, basic color, things like that. Because it is a nice long program, we do throw in a lot of extra little things that we teach. I always say we do hair, skin, and nails. Anything that has to do with hair, skin, and nails, that program covers. Our 1,800 program, it does all the things that the 1,500 does, but it adds in more business. So you're going to learn about how to do taxes, how to price yourself, insurances and things that you should have. So it hits more of that business aspect, as well as doing some advanced skills.
And I think someone once told me that the advanced program isn't just all about running your own business. Is if you work for yourself, like a booth renter in someone else's salon, it's really important to know some of those tax laws and some of the procedures that you have to learn to be able to work for yourself.
That's correct.
Yeah. What about the job outlook? A lot of people think there's no money in cosmetology.
Oh, there's lots of money to be made. I always say people are going to die and get their hair done. So, and we do their hair both times. So we have a lot of just like partnerships around the area, a lot of salons that we deal with. They call me all the time looking for stylists. So I would really say there's pretty much like a shortage. We can't fill the spots that people are calling us for. They have jobs, and I always say the sky's the limit with this kind of industry. As hard as you want to work, that's how much money you can make. So it's all what you make it. If you love it and you give it all that you have, you can really make good money.
Cool. Thanks, Melinda.
Thank you for having us.
So the cosmetology program and advanced cosmetology program are both offered in the evening. We're here around the year. We take a small break for summer, but you can pretty much find us any evening, so give us a call.